Press P for program and enter the password 2222. Press clean the milk system and look for gentle clean, which is for the milk. Press gentle clean and then it will go through the system. It will take 3 minutes. Press start. It will say use the Jura products. Press start. Put the container into the drip tray. Then use the milk tablets to clean. And upside down, press the blue button. Open fridge, remove milk hose, put it through, and attach the container. And now press next. Make sure the hot water is over the canister in the middle. Remove hose, canister, and take canister away. Feed the hose through the fridge, into the milk, and complete.